In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently enter an expense in QuickBooks Online. This process is quite straightforward, but it's important to perform each step correctly to ensure your financial records remain accurate and up to date. Whether you're managing a small business or keeping track of personal finances, these skills will be invaluable. To begin, you'll need to log into QuickBooks Online. Open your preferred web browser. I recommend using Chrome for the best experience. Once you've opened the browser, navigate to quickbooks.intuit.com. Here, you'll be prompted to sign in using your credentials. Make sure you have those handy. Otherwise, you might face unnecessary delays. Once you're logged in, you'll be right at the QuickBooks Online dashboard, which is your control center for all financial management tasks. Now that you're in, you'll want to navigate to the expense entry page. Start by looking at the left-hand side of your dashboard where you'll find a range of options. Click on the large plus button labeled Plus New. Under the vendor section, you'll see the expense option. Click on that and you'll be directed to the expense form where you can input all necessary details about your transaction. Let's start filling in the expense details. In the payee field, you'll need to select or enter the name of the vendor or individual you paid. This entry helps to track who you've paid and for what, so accuracy is crucial here. The next field is the payment account, where you'll choose the bank or credit card account that was used to make the payment. Following that, enter the payment date, which is simply the date when the expense occurred, and then proceed to select the payment method, such as check, credit card, or cash, to specify how the payment was made. Moving on to adding the expense categories and amounts. In the category details section, you'll decide where this expense falls by choosing the appropriate expense account. Examples might include office supplies or utilities. Next, enter the amount spent in the corresponding field and, if necessary, provide a brief description to offer context for the record. If you find that the expense spans multiple categories, don't worry. You can click Add Lines to input additional categories and amounts. Optionally, attaching receipts can be a great way to maintain thorough records. At the bottom of the expense entry form, there's an attachments option. Clicking this will allow you to upload any receipts or supporting documents that pertain to your entry. This step, while optional, enhances your records by providing physical evidence for your transactions. Finally, you'll want to save your work. At the bottom right corner of the screen, you have two options. You can either click Save and Close, which will finalize the entry and take you back to the main dashboard. Or, if you have another expense to log, click Save and New to begin the process again without starting from scratch. That's it! You've successfully logged an expense in QuickBooks Online. This method ensures that you maintain neat and accurate financial records, which are crucial for any business or personal financial management.